Hey everybody! In today's video, we are going to show you how to create your own Google account. That means you will get Gmail, YouTube Drive, and all of the Google services in one place. So let's just get started right away. So you can open up your browser for that and go to the Google sign up page. You can go over and go to accounts.google.com sign up. So just go over accounts.google.com/sign up and hit enter, and that will take you to the space right here. So from there you can just go over and start by filling in your basic details. So just go over and enter it up, and I'm gonna enter up my first and last name. You can also just go ahead and do so and click on this next option. After you do so, here in this section you need to enter up your birth date. So go ahead and select up your birth date, your month, after that your day, and then your year. So just go over and do so, and your gender. So select what gender are you, and then click on next. And once you do so here, you can start by creating up your Gmail address. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create up this Gmail. After that, you can click on next. And once you do so, I'm just gonna use this. So you can click on next and go ahead and create up a strong password. So you can type a strong password with at least 8 characters. That may include letters, numbers, and symbols for extra security. So just go over and enter it up here, and right below it also you can just go over and enter it up, and just go ahead and click on next once you do so. And once this is done, you may need to add your phone number. Google might ask you for your phone number for account recovery or security verification. So in this section, you can enter up your phone number. You can select up your country code. And after you do so, you can just go and click on next. And once you do so, you might need to enter up your recovery email address, your birth date, and your gender. That is already written, so you can skip it if you prefer, but this is the optional feature. You can just go ahead and do so. I'm just gonna skip it, and once you do so, you can go ahead and review your account info. You can click on next, and all you gotta do is agree to the terms and conditions. Click on I agree, and you're done, and your Google account will be created. It is now ready. You may just go ahead and sign in with your Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, any other Google application with this one account, and that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss on more quick tutorials like this.